What? Your truck. Your truck. Uppy.
Leave him.
You gotta watch out. You don't put stones and stuff.
Dylan, where's Mama? There you are.
Hey, put your shoes on.
Why are they off?
Put your shoes on. Come on. As soon as you start paying for your own socks, you can do that.
Dylan, look at Mama. There you are. Then go get your other
Mama.
shoes.
Say, Mama.
My good ones?
No, your Heelys.
Say, Mama.
Where are they?
In the closet.
Just tighten them up, your straps.
They're broken.
That's what he wants.
Oh, look, he goes to crawl. He's like, wait a minute. Maybe I'll just sit here.
Come here, baby. Come, Dada. Come, Dada. Come on. Come, Dada. Come here. See, Dada. Come here, baby boy. Come here.
Are you dancing?
He loves the outside. He's smiling.
Dylan, where's Mama? You clapping?
Tell Mama clap.